again. So we ask you to drive back the camper with the same quantity of diesel we gave you, and if there is any difference we will refill the diesel tank, but there's a penalty to be paid. Please look after the rental contract. So here we have the box where we will find the 2 gas bottles, and that's the way to open. Just turn it and we open now. This is just for reserve, so if you have no more gas here, just switch the rubber tube with a special key. So with this special key, first of all, close the bottle, remove the tube with this key and connect to the second bottle. Then you open, and then you have to press this and these together like this for a few seconds, and then the gas will be available once again. So here we have the plug to connect the cable once you are at the campground. So that's the plug, and you must connect this cable. As you can see, we have 2 different plugs, so use the right one. Plug in here and the second one here to the campground. Once the cable is plugged, you have 220 volts power inside the camper, and you will recharge the service battery and the engine battery. And the same thing happens anytime you drive the camper. You will recharge both batteries. So we are going to talk now about the waste water tank. So anytime you use the shower or the kitchen and bathroom sink, you will collect the waste water in this tank. So when it's full, and you can check it from inside in the camper from the master panel. So when it's full, you just put the handle in this position and the waste water will flow out from the tank. And before driving the camper, just turn it, as this tank must always be closed when you drive the camper. So here we have the bathroom inside the camper, and over here we have the toilet. So that's the toilet box. When the toilet box is full, you just pull up this handle and remove the box like this. And you can use it this way. So now we are ready to empty the toilet box. And the suggestion is, if you want to use the toilet box for more days, the best solution is to use a plastic bag in the bathroom, where you can put in the waste paper, so you put only the organic things in the box. So we are here, we turn this and remove the tap, push here, and that's the way to empty the toilet box. Here we have the fresh water tank. You have 100 liters of fresh water available, as the camper is ready to be used. So if you have no more water, just remove the tap, put the rubber hose that you will find in the garage, put in here and connect this to the water tap, and then you can recharge the fresh water tank. And the handle to make this operation, you will find it right here in the garage. That's the handle to open and close. Push it here, open like this. Not completely, but something like this, more or less halfway. And then we make this operation. Take this out, 1 and 2. Fix it on the floor and push up a little bit. So we make this even this side. Fix it on the floor, push up. Move this forward, and then you keep opening completely. We are gonna close the sunscreen now. So we open here, close it back, then we fix this once again. make this. That is the right position of this. That's it. So we are inside the camper van now, and we have the kitchen here, the fridge, bathroom and shower, and the main king-size bed. So I'm gonna show you now how to use the master panel, where you have all the information. This is the main switch to turn on and off to have the power in the living area. This is just for information, so when you have the cable connected to the campground, this light is on, and means that you have 220 volts power inside the camper. That's the water pump, so anytime you need water we must turn on this one. When you drive the camper, we suggest you to keep it off. And this is just to check the battery and fresh water level. So we have the fresh water level tank full and the service battery almost full. And this is to check the engine battery and the wastewater. So we have the engine battery level, medium, and the wastewater is completely empty. Here is the switch to use the hot water and the heating system. So anytime you need hot water, you turn this ring to 40 or 60 degrees. And in about 10 or 15 minutes then you have hot water available. Feel cool in the camper, then you can use the heating system. So that's the way to use the heating system. The little flame means that the heating system is on, and with this one you can set the fan, only the fan. And if you need also hot water together with heating system, just turn this in the second position here and they will work together. Just remember that this system, hot water and heating, works with gas power. So if you don't need it, it's better to keep it off. Then you can use the gas for cooking and everything else. If you are not in a campground and you need to recharge your mobile phone when you do not drive the camper, then you can use this plug here. This is connected to the service battery, so even if the engine is not running and you are not connected to 220 volts power, you can use this to recharge your mobile. So that's the fridge, that's the handle, and you have the ice box here and all the rest here. So we turn on the fridge like this. Now the fridge is running and it's already in automatic. That means that the fridge will switch from gas power, battery power and electrical power automatically. So you don't need to do anything special. The only thing you need to know is how to set the temperature. So you press in, so you enter in this function, and here you can set the temperature. Automatic, working with gas to maximum power. So here we have the kitchen, everything is inside here, so that's the handle to unlock and lock the drawers. To turn on the flame, just turn this and press in. So here you have the mosquito net, and this is to close, even for the night. To open the window, press here and turn. Press and turn. That's it. To close it, open completely. To drive the camper, as you can see, there are two positions here, 1 and 2. That's the right one to drive the camper, not this one. So here now we are in the king size bedroom, and that's it. This is the bed. Probably during the day you can use the bed in this way, so you have room to turn around. And for the night, just grab here, pull, and now it's ready for the night. So we are still in the king size bedroom, and you have two different possibilities to close the bedroom. So if you turn the door like this, then you have the shower and the toilet inside here. So if you need more privacy in the bedroom without the toilet and the shower, that's the way. So you can slide this door. So here we have the second king size bed. So when you need to use it, just put this down. Be sure that we have the two front seats forward, and then you can release it from here. 1 and 2, and push down. Here there is a ladder, so you click it, and that's the way to use king size bed. And under here you have this box to be fixed over here, so you can sleep safely both sides. So when you close this bed, drive the camper, you fix it here, and then push up and fix it right to the top. Here we have the bathroom, and this camper we have the shower box, so you can use it here to take shower. And this side here we have the toilet box and the sink. Here we have the switch to turn on and off the light. To flush the toilet, just press this, and then with this handle you can open and close to get the things into the box. Keep it always closed when you drive the camper, and to remove the box, this must be closed. Here we have the chemical taps. So the first time you use the toilet, you take one of these, remove the plastic bag, and drop the tap into the box. One of these every 2 days is sufficient. When the box is full, you have a red light on right there, bottle. And this is a special chemical liquid to use in the sink, because sometimes the wastewater tank smells. So if you smell it, drop some of this liquid in the sink right here. Every day, just a little bit here in the bathroom, in the shower, and in the kitchen. So here we are in the dining room. So that's the table. As you can see, there's a chance to rotate the front seats, the driver and the passenger seat. So everybody can sit here for lunchtime, and that's the way to use it. Here, as you can see, we have this handle. This is the releasing handle to rotate the front seats. So when they are front side, push down here, and then you can turn it. So we are in the front side of the camper. Here you have the USB plug. This is another plug to recharge your mobile, and that's the USB. And this is the way, if you want to use it, you can fix your mobile right here, so you can use it as a navi. And here we have this book, and you can find all the information and documents inside here. So insurance and documents, rental conditions, and some tourist information.